Yes, hello everyone, and welcome back to another reaction video and review video of the 6th and 7th episode of Influencers, the series. And it's your one and only all-I'm critic slash Manay, Michael Carbon, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, yo. Humabol po ako, guys. Yes, of course. All for the love of influencers. And of course, twin episode reaction video pa tayong review for tonight. Kaya naman, huwag natin patatagalin pa. Larga na, Rava! Oh! Oh! Para ba yan sa akin, Romeo? Ay, nose to nose.
When we were kids,
Oh my gosh.
we were always taught about learning
Okay.
and singing Christmas songs.
So, that's
And
it.
these are what we sing when we carol at night.
Okay.
And now that we're grown-ups,
Ay,
most of us listen
ano
to
sila?
these
Bakit andyan
songs
sila sa harap?
even
Ano
more
to?
to
Debut
relive
na show?
how we spent our holidays in our childhood. Whether that's good,
Oh my gosh, I'm hurting for Romeo. May timing talaga na basura, no? Pero, OMG. Romeo. Can I give you a
we fell
hug?
in love with the singer of the songs.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ganun talaga yung ako. Ganun talaga yung angle. So, did they kiss? Oh, what the heck? That's so. Eto ditong mga ano, yung dalawa, oh. Ano na guys?
Whoops.
Petsa na.
Una na.
Oh, a phone call. Ay,
Hi. Hey Max. Still cannot call Cheska?
No, I just want to talk to you.
Yeah. Sure, what's up?
I can't sleep. Anyways, that's it. I just want to say thank you.
Ano
No
ba
worries,
yan?
Max.
Max, akin ka na lang, Max.
Alam mo, hindi ko alam.
Oh my God.
Ba't ka tumatawa? Tama na ka. Sige,
Are
ano
you
yun?
confessing? Kat?
You are so beautiful. Alam mo na ba yun? Oh my
my
God!
gosh.
Totoo bang nalasing ako nung night na yun?
OMG. Hindi mo ba maalala,
Wala naman
girl?
ako sinabing masama sa'yo, no?
Wala naman. So, ano nga? Sunduin ba kita mamaya para sabay na tayo mamayang gabi?
I know na yung pagbe-break up ng parents is really something that affects the children.
Mm.
Sorry. Actually, kaya hesitant din akong mag-share sa inyo kasi it's been hard on me too, growing up. And kaya ko din naman share sa inyo kasi sabi ko nga, kayo yung support system ko.
Romeo.
Hello everyone! So today,
Amigo.
dahil malapit na ang Christmas, gagawa tayo ng holiday special natin. Pero syempre, may mga kasama tayo at ang mga kasama natin ngayon ay kababata ko at best friend ko pa, si Cholo Cruz!
Hi everyone! Ako nga pala si Cholo Cruz. Ako yung pakalat-kalat dyan sa labas kanina.
Hoy, maalat ka talaga sa totoong buhay. Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang yun guys. Joke. Akala mo madali lang mag-vlog.
Oo nga eh. Ano kayo din nag-isip ng mga content nyo?
Oo naman.
Galing no? Delivery for Sir Migo!
Okay, so
Happy holidays, sir!
si Romeo nagdadala ng flower.
Thank you, kuya.
Okay.
So, kailan ka pa nagkamero ng secret admirer, ha?
Honestly, Jolo, hindi ko nga alam kung saan nanggagaling yung mga yan eh. Nabirtuhan na ako tapos...
Hindi mo pwedeng maging thankful ka na lang kasi may nagbibigay sa'yo ng bulaklak.
Ito Sarah ka, Cholo.
Still, this creeps me out.
Ang ganda ni Ram. Ang ganda ni Migo, rather. May flowers si Migo, color. Ships are falling apart. Oh no! Grabe naman.
Oy, bakit Andre? Anong problema? Bawal ba magka-jowa? Paano pag sinabi kong oo, bawal kang magka-jowa? Pamilya ko nga supportive sa akin tapos ikaw pa itong magbabawal. Andre, kung malungkot ka, huwag ka mandamay, okay? Tapos, bawal magka-jowa. Sino bang nagsabing malungkot ako, ha?
Cass? Yeah? I think I need to clear things up with you.
Meron ba dapat?
I told you I can feel it. I'm sorry. But...
No, it's fine. It's okay. You don't need to explain yourself.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Oh my gosh.
No, ano ka ba? No, don't be sorry. I mean, hindi ko nga alam kung ba't ka nagsasorry. Wala to.
Oh my gosh.
I have a gift for you.
Ano ba yan? Nakaka-learn.
Merry Christmas.
Ano na naman yan?
Hoy, grabe ka sa akin. Dala lang yung antok ko.
Antok. Ano excuse yan?
Kung salita mo, gigis kita.
Wala.
Gigis kita.
Lala, sabihin mo lang weak ka.
Gigis
Weak,
kita.
weak,
Gigis
weak,
kita.
weak ka, weak,
Gigis na kita.
weak.
Ito na. Gigis kita.
Ano mo nga ako?
So guys, before tayo magsiuwian ngayon, at para naman merry yung Christmas natin, di ba? At alam ko din namang
Okay, the time before si Cholo pumunta.
Ngayon,
Or naabot na ni Cholo.
may special performance si Ram Agoncillo!
grabe yung clap para hindi masaya sa performance.
Anong kakapikotang ina?
Mamili ka. Sasayaw ka. O kakanta ka. Ano?
Ano ba itong pinapagawa mo sa akin, Migo?
Sige na, kumanta ka na. Please. Ayaw mo yan.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize, to me it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. Through this part of the year, we have something in store for us. We're falling in love.
OMG, ba't parang scary ako?
Merry Christmas, guys. Sorry, late ako.
Oh my God.
Ram, pwede ba mag-usap tayo? Privately. Emergency lang.
Sige. Sige. Tara. May mali ba?
OMG, ano yun? Pag kinakabahan ako. Oh my God.
Ano nangyari, Ram? Ha? Di ba may plano tayo? Hindi ko plano yon. Ikaw lang ang may plano nun.
This Christmas.
Oh my gosh.
Tama. I'll do a move this Christmas. Kaya lang, syempre, ikaw muna yung titimpla ko ano ba siya. Basta, huwag ka may in love.
Oh,
paano pag na-in love ako?
Oh my gosh.
I know you, Ram. Tsaka, alam ko namang hindi mo gagawin sa akin yun, di ba?
Oh my
Tawagan na
God.
lang
So
kita
it
kapag
was
nandun
Romeo's.
siya.
No, it was Cholo's plan.
Kung pagsasabi mong deal, ayoko nga, di ba? Hindi mo na ako pumayag eh. Dali na. Hindi mo na ba ako mahal? Bro, alam mo namang mahal kita. Pero ang tanga lang kasi talaga ng pinapagawa. Tsaka, kung ano naman pumapasok sa isip mo, bahala ka sa buhay. Aasahan kita, Ram, ha? Ikaw na lang pag-asa ko kay Migo. Please, do this for me. Kaibiganin mo.
Anong ako lang? Bakit ngayon ako na lang? Putang ina naman! Napaklaro na sa'yo? May mabuti akong intensyon, kaya ginawa ko lahat. Wala na sa usapan natin yon. Putang ina naman, Ram! Gusto mo ba ipaalala ko sa'yo ang usapan natin? Ang sabi ko sa'yo, kilalanin mo kung ano talaga si Migo. Bago magpasko! Dahil alam mo na gusto ko siya. At ngayon sana aamin ako sa kanya. Yun yung plano natin, di ba?
OMG.
Ano? Ano nangyari ngayon?
So stress.
Lalandian? Ha? Sorry, Cholo. Sorry. Okay? Sorry. But I've already fallen in love with Migo. Gago ka! Tangina mo!
Oh my God. Parang feeling ko maghahalikan sila.
Yeah.
Is there a problem?
Wala.
Okay lang.
Okay lang kami, okay lang kami.
Weird screaming eh.
Okay lang.
Ano ba nangyari?
Sure ha?
Oo
We
naman.
can settle it here.
Usap-usap
Okay na kami. Huwag ka magalala. Okay na.
Okay lang.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Okay na.
Sure yan ha?
Yep. Wait lang.
Oh my God.
Oh, baby.
Cute.
Oh my God. Feeling ko sasabog na si Cholo.
Marunong ka ba mag-alaga ng pups?
Oo nga, something.
Thank you. Bring namin yan.
Lagaan mo yan.
Anong pangalan? What's the name?
Ano gusto yung pangalan? Mirasol? Mirasol siya.
Mirasol. Parang ibang sinaunang pa.
I also hurt my best friend. Christmas is not a wonderful time of the year.
Nakakalex.
Uncertainty.
Nandito na siya.
Oh. Eh paano pag na-in-love ako?
That damn space.
I know you, Ram. Tsaka alam ko namang hindi mo gagawin sa akin yun, di ba?
But I've already fallen in love with Migo.
The loud knocks were my signal.
Gago ka! Tangina mo!
I'm sorry.
Ano ba yan? Wala na.
What? No,
Wala na lahat ng ships.
When you're too happy
Wala
now,
na nagbiyahe.
You don't need to explain yourself.
Anong wala? Kanina ka ba chat ang chat dyan? Halatang halata ka naman.
you'll be sad later.
Oy, bakit Andre? Anong problema? Bawal ba magka-jowa? Paano pag sinabi
Desire
kong oo, bawal kang
comes
magka-jowa?
knocking.
Malungkot na naman.
Do you have this time of day that you always
Bahala kayo dyan. My savior, Giuseppe. Lobat. Karma, lobat. Ayun, lobat ka. Lalandian.
And I'm here again, feeling to save you.
Can you also save me from a heart attack?
Oh my God.
Why?
Oh my God, Andre, nakaka...
Because of your smile?
Max, you can be really corny sometimes, Try again. Now, share me the deck.
Wait. Before anything else, I just want to say, you really are my savior. You're just one call away, Josh.
Are you proposing?
Oh my God.
Kidding. Just what I had said. I'm always here, Max.
Oh my God.
Andre, yung totoo, bakit ka umiyak, ha?
Josh, gusto kita.
Ha?
Oh my gosh. Oh my... Ano ba yun? Wala na lang talagang liligaya, guys. Wala na lang talagang may problema.
Ano sabi mo, Andy?
Pero, natatakot ako. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Josh.
Sana masaya kayo. Sana masarap yung kinakain niyo, guys. Yung ginagawa niyo sa amin. Ano ba yan? Ang bigat. Ano na?
Di ba alam mo? Alam mo yun eh. I only see you as my best friend. Andre.
My God. Ano?
Ikaw yung person ko. Ako yung person mo. You're my person, Andre. No more than that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ay, naku. Wala talagang kakausap sa akin na taga Camp Avenue.
You mean the world to me, Josh. Hey, Josh. You okay?
Andre. Andre.
Tell me what's up.
So sila na lang yung hindi pa nabubuwag na ano, na magandang moment. So ano na mangyayari dyan? Parang walang liligaya matapos tong episode 7. Ang kanya. Paano kayo yung tagal na kayo gusto maghalikan? Ewan ko talaga sa inyo. Basta, nangyayari na naman kayo. Isa the sawi episode. Ang mga sawi sa pag-ibig.
Hindi ko, pero takina.
Ano?
No, you can't say anything to me right now na hindi mo pinapansin yung mga tawag ko.
Okay, calm down.
No! Alam mo ba, ang dami kong iniisip these past few days dahil sa'yo. Alam mo ba, naiintindihan ko yung bawat tingin mo sa akin. Alam mo ba, nahuhuli ko bawat sulyap mo sa akin. Alam mo ba, naiinis ako. Naiinis ako sa sarili ko. Kasi may nararamdaman ako para sa'yo.
Ayoko na talaga.
Pero tangina! Tangina!
Ako, budol talaga kayo, guys.
Hindi na kasi pwede. Hindi na pwede kasi nandiyan na si David. Gusto ko na makita kahit na isang pagkakataon na lang. Kasi yung isip ko eh. Paulit na sana. Ikaw na lang. Pero kasi ang hindi na lang eh.
In fairness, lahat sila may dramatic roles. Gagaling nila. I mean, considering they're entirely new. Pero, hanep. Ano ba yan?
Gusto ko sana makasama dito yung favorite person ko.
Kinakabahan ako. Ito na talagang pang pinali. Feeling. Ito yung pang pinali. Pang masakitang bardagulan
Dahil
ng
dito sa
taon.
lugar na to,
Nakuta ka talaga.
dito ko mas nakilala yung sarili ko. Pangarap ko lang na sana may taong magpahalaga din sa akin. Dati, pangarap ko lang na may makatanggap kung ano bang nararamdaman ko. Dahil sa'yo, nawala yung takot ko. Nawala yung takot ko sa sasabihin ng mga tao. Nawala yung takot ko na baka hindi ako matanggap ng mga tao. Dahil ngayon, mas natatakot ako na mawala sa buhay ko.
Ang dami ko na. Stress ko talaga, promise.
I would give anything.
Pagto ka talaga.
Give up my life. I would give anything. I would just to have you.
I love you.
Oh my God.
I love
Iyak ka naman ako sa market. Ang market Is that Romeo? Hagip pa siya ng cam. Ako sinasabi ko talaga. Sinasabi ko talaga.
Igo.
Wag. Bitawan mo siya, Ram. May dapat kang malaman. Alam niyo yung totoo, Cholo. Bakit ka ba nandito? Migo, kailangan mo malaman ng totoo. Wag, Cholo. Cholo.
Oh my God.
Kung gusto kong sabihin, sabihin mo ito. Luwag. Ram, gusto kong malaman yung totoo. Mauna kang sasakyan. Pero, sige na! Sige na!
Ganda ni Miko. Ganda ni Migo haba ng hair, girl. Yung hair mo, abot hanggang dito sa Mindanao.
Migo, sabihin mo. Ano yung sasabihin mo? Nagpapanggap lang si Ram. Pinipeke niya lang lahat ng mga ginagawa niya. Dahil yun yung usapan namin.
Ganito, you be my wingman. Ano mo yun? Parang ikaw yung magiging bridge namin. Teka bro, nagpapatawa ka ba? Joke ba yan?
The bridge is now the owner.
Nagjo-joke ka, sabihin mo na lang. Patawa naman lang.
Ay, naku.
Sino ba kasi nagsabing nagjo-joke
We
ako?
didn't sign up for this.
Sige na Ram,
Huwag niyo
tulungan
kong
mo na ako.
kausapin after this.
Kahit bayaran mo pa ako, hindi ko gagawin yan.
Wala na
Bro, you're committing a big mistake here. Ano ba?
Lahat ng ginagawa niya. Peke lahat yun.
Umalis mo na yan.
Patawarin niyo po ako, Migo. Patawarin niyo ako.
Tuna!
Guys, New Year lang. My God, no.
This is an exception. This is the time I don't want to be alone. This is the time I don't want to hear my thoughts, my heart, or myself.
Tinatanong ko na sinungaling ka, sinungaling ka.
Camp Avenue yung kausapin. Dami kayo. Ewan ko na lang talaga. Well, anyways, it was, I think, the worst decision to have a combo, no, marathon with episode 6 and 7 na shootang ina talagang binalabog lahat ng ating emotions. Influencers sa series no, really is something different from all other BL series na lumabas. You know, does not market itself as mga kilig-kilig and such, mga intimate scenes, but more so, mas nakita ko si influencer series no as parang a life story din. Kasi maganda yung development na nangyari ever since episode 1 eh. You know, just a simple thing, they're influencers, they're like people, they're just normal people, you know, talking to each other, meeting other people, and then getting to know each other. For me, it's really different. Influencer series will always be that series that hits differently. Yes, it may not be that kilig, it may not be that grand, parang that feeling na wow, I'm hooked. But definitely, influencer series is something sensible. Influencers is something emotionally engaging. Kasi grabe. We're talking about episode 6 and 7. Talagang nabagsak lahat ng mga ships dito. And I think naman very valid yung the way how things went down no, for all ships. And, you know, it also gave us a very, you know, a little bit of shocking twist with the character of Romeo, which is si Cholo. Doon natin nalaman it was all planned out. And Ram was the accomplice. So no, I didn't see that coming, and that's a very, very good addition. And ito pa, nagugulo pa lahat ng mga ships. Hindi ko na alam kung sino isi-ship. The boat is sinking na talaga, guys. Keep yourselves into one. Oo, ganun. But regardless, no, I really admire and appreciate how everything was laid down on this episode. Yes, it is conversational. Yes, it's kind of boring at times. And minsan may mga audio issues. Pero when you look at the framework of influencers, actually it mirrors the reality. It mirrors us. Ito siguro yung series na mas malapit sa atin. Yung akala natin, it will not reflect us because akala natin influencers lang, yung mga super social media superstar lang yung feature dito. Hindi. Actually, influencers, the series, reflects us, reflects our story, our conversation with the people we love, we want, and our desires, our hurt, and our, decisions. Stupid things ba to or not? Because in the name of love, we all do and can do something. More than just a very good characterization and of course a very good dynamics of the characters. I must admit, every one of the characters here, the artists, have given equal chances in the spotlight. And not only equal chances, but they have been impressive in their acting sequences. Si Maz, si M, no, grabe. The girls vibe is strong and their acting performances, individually and together were good. Of course, here comes Kevin. Here comes Denjo. And of course, here comes Kevin, yes. Grabe, that scene na nag-iyakan sila, it was so impressive as well. And here comes Romeo. Here comes Cholo. Yung tipong ramdam mo yung galit at selos niya. The expression on his face. It's really, really very, very effective. And of course, our main ship, Migo and Ram, are played by, of course, Leon and Cholo. Talagang masabi mo, ramdam na ramdam mo na kasi yung chemistry nila. Pero alam mo yung nag-confession sila with each other, mas naramdaman mo yung, doon mo yung burning passion. Yung alam mo yung the burning love, the burning admiration. And then when they hurt, nakaka-relate ka din kasi you also feel their hurt. And I must really admit, that acting chops are way improved and very, very impressive for them as a newbie. Kaya congratulations, Direk, and everyone else of you guys for bringing out the best in you. And of course, talagang naramdaman namin yung mga characters namin. Although yes, it is disappointing, it is masakit. Pero I see the light, I see the end of the tunnel with a bright light for episode 8. Tingnan natin kung how will you resolve this. Pero it was just too much in 2 episodes. But I think, eto yung gusto nyong ma-feel ng mga tao eh. Ito yung the way how you tell a story. Una-una, na-hope na kami doon sa level of you telling a story or laying down everything. Again, it is different. It is unique. And hindi naman ako nagsisi. Never ako nagsisi nung sinuportahan ko kayo from beginning to end. So, expect that I will be here until the end. Kahit na, shoot ang ina ka, Camp Avenue. Kahit na, inis ako at stress ako sa 2 episodes na ito. But anyways, for the episode 7 and 8, hindi pala, episode 6 and 7 pa. Inunahan ko na yung finale. Episode 6 and 7 of Influencers the Series, I'm rating it. Dali lang. Parang feeling ko dala ko yung inis hanggang end. I'm rating it. No! Sige na nga. Kahit inis ako, guys, rating it 5 stars. Talaga, grabe talaga. Nasa-stress talaga. Sumit yung ulo ko. But anyways, don't forget to follow Bros, our BL reactors online society. To know more about Bros are, visit the description link below and make sure to subscribe at all our YouTube channels. And of course, huwag kalimutan to subscribe and follow on Bros sa Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, and of course, dito din sa YouTube. Don't forget to follow us, guys. Follow our YouTube for more live shows and more online shows and collaborations for this 2021. And of course, don't forget to follow your one and only Olameter Critics / Manay, Michael Carbon. Until my next vlog. Bye-bye.